So let's get started turning this baby bun into a nice big bun, okay? So this video is brought to you guys in partnership with sassinahair.com. This is not a sponsored video. However, they did reach out to me to ask me if I wanted to try their 18-inch Yaki straight clip-in hair extensions, which I happily agreed to do so. This is how they came packaged in a nice plastic bag. Also was some extra clips just in case that was needed, a pack of lashes, which are super cute, and then a wide tooth comb. Everything came perfectly fine. There was no strange smell. This is the 120 gram set, which is not a very dense set. So if you're looking for something with a lot of volume, this is not the set for you. This is a rather thin set, so if you like that big volume look, you might want to use 2 sets, but for girls like me that have fine hair, this is just fine. So it does come with 7 pieces. There's one 8-inch wide weft with 4 clips, 2 6-inch wide wefts with 3 clips, 3 4-inch wide wefts with 2 clips, and 1 2-inch wide clips with 1 clip. So unfortunately, I wish that there was more of the 1 clip wefts because those are really convenient to kind of place wherever you need, but no big deal. The clips are super sturdy and secure. They do not feel like they are going to pop off. They open and close with no issue. Again, this is a natural black color. I think it is a pretty set. This is it compared to my hair that's just been blown out. My hair is not straightened in this portion. It's just been blown out. If my hair was straight, I think it would match this texture very nicely. So let's get started with how I make this bun. So I like to take my hair and go ahead and gel down the front and work on these edges beforehand, just so that I have a good foundation for when I go ahead and put it up in my high ponytail. Now I'm going to brush my hair up into a high ponytail, trying to make sure it's as smooth as possible. You don't want any lumps, you don't want any bumps. You can add more gel if you like. You can put no gel and just keep it messy, whatever you like, but just make sure it is pretty high up on your head. I like to use the bigger elastics just because they're a little bit more stretchy and more comfortable, but you can use any sort of ponytail that works best for your hair type. And then go ahead and detangle your hair. So I'm actually going to leave some of my hair out. You do not have to, but you will see why I leave my hair out in just a minute. And now I'm going to go ahead and instead of having my hair, my clip ends clipped into my hair and then pulled up, I'm going to actually just wrap the clip ends around my hair. So I'm starting with one of the 4 clip wefts and I'm just going to clip it around my ponytail. And I'm going to repeat the process with another 3 clip weft, and I think another 3 clip weft, and maybe a 2 clip weft. It's totally optional how many wefts you choose to use. It just depends on how big you want your hair, how thin your hair is. So just place the clip-ins around your own ponytail, making sure you kind of overlap them and making sure that there's also one that starts more so towards the back and not just the front. And just keep going until you have the amount of hair that you prefer. I love this hair, guys, because it is really smooth and easy to detangle. It really does look really well with my hair. I'm going to use a donut bun. This is optional, but normally when I add hair like this, I go with a smaller one. I will do another video if you guys like on how I don't use any clip-ins and use a donut bun. I tend to use the larger ones. But anyways, for this video, I'm gonna go ahead and separate all of the hair evenly around the donut bun. And this is where my hair kind of covers the clip-in hair. So it looks a little bit more natural, but I'm still gonna get that volume that I like. This is totally optional. Just make sure you can't feel any of the donut bun. And of course, you don't have to buy a donut bun. You can make one with some socks, but I like this one. And then I'm just gonna gradually swoop the hair around and kind of bobby pin it in place. This part, just take your time with it. Make sure it just looks how you like it. It can be messy, it can be really defined. You can make this elegant. It's totally up to you how much work you put into it, but just pin the hair down where you like it. And then you can spruce up your edges and spruce up, the rest of your hair. And that's pretty much it, guys. super easy. I love this big bun. I think it's flattering. I love wearing it, and of course this hair is great. I do have a coupon code down below, so check that out for $10 off if you choose to purchase some of your own clip-ins from sassinahair.com. And thank you so much for tuning in, and until next time guys, see ya.